ACTC is a touchless facial and thermal recognition camera that can recognize faces as well as read accurate body temperatures. Here's what you'll find inside the box: the mounting bracket, a bag of screws, and the axis control thermal camera. Align both sides of the mounting bracket together and fasten it with the 4 screws provided. After this, slide the mounting bracket and secure it with the Torx key. Connect the 12-volt 3-amp power adapter and the lane cable. Connect the access control wires.
Temperature is normal. Pass please. Step closer please. Temperature is abnormal. Temperature is abnormal.
Set the default IP address to 192.168.1.88. Install plugin and set password. You can manually take photos of each person, or you can upload an image directly from your computer. You can also manually adjust the thermal threshold at which it will read an abnormal temperature. Use the access control thermal camera anywhere where security and the spread of diseases is a vital importance to your business's operation.